just finished doing my nails with one of Manicurist's new colours from their Playful Wonderland collection, and I thought I'd take you through the shades along with some other spring options from Manicurist. But before I painted my nails in this gorgeous pink colour, I have been wearing religiously over the past 3 months this red, which is called Anomi, I think that's how you pronounce it. This is a perfect pillar box red with a blue undertone. It's actually one of their best sellers. I thought I'd share this colour with you guys as well. So let me take you through, first of all, the Playful Wonderland collection. So this colour here is the one I'm wearing. This is Candy, and it's described as a pop of pink with cool undertones on the Manicurist website. It's just the perfect bubblegum pink with a slight like lilac undertone, I would say, looking at it here. Then we have this gorgeous bright green, which is called Brazil, and this is a bright pop of electric green. The green is amazing if you love playing with colour and you want something bright and cheerful. This is definitely for you. I think I'm going to do this shade next. And also Porcelain, which is a creamy shade of off-white. This is stunning if you're not into colour and you just want something really subtle with a slight nod to spring. Then a couple of other options that I have if you love the pastel shades. I've actually seen these two shades a lot at the moment. So I have this beautiful blue one, which is just called Light Blue. This is a really nice pastel baby blue. And then we have this lovely lemon called Mimosa. This is a really pretty pastel yellow, and it's just an amazing colour for bright sunny days. Both of these are. These remind me of the beach. So I do have a code for Manicurist that's located on my Shop My profile that I'll have linked down below. But if you just go onto the Manicurist website, you can use the code NailsLaura for 15% off. I wanted to show you guys this new print that I just put up. I had the frame custom made from Etsy. I'll link the guy down below. He makes lots of different amazing types of frames and also all different sizes. You can message him as well for custom sizes, which I am going to do for a couple of prints that we picked up in Australia. And then the prints I also got off Etsy. I will link the shop down below as well. I just love how this turned out. This bar cart area is really coming together now. I'm slowly building up the prints for the wall. This is going to be a complete gallery wall. And then I did also purchase these rechargeable wall lights for each side of the bar cart. They're from Pookie. I love this brand. And also they give you points, a bit like a Boots points card system. So every time you buy something, you get Pookie perks, and that can be put towards your next purchase for money off. So let me show you, they're really pretty. I've had these on my wish list for ages, and then over Easter they had 30% off the whole website, so I was like, now's the time to get them. We have here, this is the part that you put on the wall, and then here is the actual light, the shade. So it's magnetic. Let me show you. You charge it here. I do have another Pookie rechargeable light upstairs. It's the water one, which I really love. And then you just, can you see this bit here? This is the magnet, and it just holds it like that. Let me show you on the wall. So I got two of these. So I'm gonna put it maybe here, and then you just touch the top and the light comes off. It gives quite a lot of light, which is really nice, and I just love the fact that they're rechargeable and they're super pretty looking, especially for this kind of area. But these would also look really nice in a hallway, so I'm going to put these up with Ben's help at the weekend, and then also I can finish off deciding which prints to go around the light. And then this side, I bought this frame from a charity shop. It has nothing in it at the moment, but it mirrors the black and gold of the frame that I purchased off Etsy. I'm gonna have a look on Etsy and see what kind of prints I can find. Everything's very bar related, like jazz club, that kind of feeling. And then I purchased yesterday a big frame. I feel like this side needs a big frame. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it until I put up the wall light, but let me show you. I think I'm going to spray paint this. It's a bamboo frame. You guys know I love a bamboo frame, and I couldn't resist this. It was £5.49. So I'm going to change the picture in this and possibly spray this black, I'm thinking, and then it will either maybe go, I don't know if you guys can see, behind this plant. However, on this wall that you can't see this way, I'm planning on some bookshelves, so that might take up a bit of the room up to there, so it may not fit there, so possibly it could go here, and I'm thinking this way, or maybe this way. Actually, that would look nice there. So it needs a good clean up. I'll spray it black, find a print for it, and I think that will look really nice there. I am going to be sharing with you guys a charity shop video as well, like an updated one. I did one last year of like the best things to find in charity shops and like antique shops, and then this updated video I'll share with you everything that I've picked up from the charity shops recently, and also how I style them around the house. So hopefully that will give you some ideas. I am obsessed with going to the charity shops. I literally go to different towns and just seek out specific things, not just random things, very specific, like bamboo frames and things like that. And most of the items are very affordable as well. I've definitely got it down to a fine art when searching for things, but hopefully that video will help you out. So let's go upstairs because I'm going to show you what I've been doing in our bedroom. Okay, so there's definitely been some progress in our bedroom. I decided to start making over this room. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, then you'll know with this house, so our previous house was a new build as well, and this one is, and it's a very blank space. And this time around I've been really enjoying getting all of the decor and the little pieces to decorate before going on to paint. So I decided to do it this way so Ben and I could just sit in the house and really think about what we wanted with regards to paint color and trims and things like that. So the bedroom is the first, well actually the second project. I did do our laundry cupboard. I will have that link down below if you're interested. That was a really easy DIY project because it was just such a small cupboard. So this is where we've got in here. The mouldings are actually from B&Q. And if I just spin you round, so I've just got to finish here and then here on the wall. I've been marking everything out, so I put up most of the mouldings in this section, and then I just need to do the dado rail, but I ran out of mouldings and I'm picking some up at the weekend to finish off all of the wood bits. And then the next thing will be filling everything in and caulking. So I'm excited to share this project with you guys.